My mother was a very good cook. She was a plain cook, but her food was always very delicious. She was a wonderful baker. She had, I think in that story that I sent you, she used to make a cookie with ground nuts and shaped like a crescent moon. And she was just very, in Yiddish the expression is she had goldene Hand. You know, she was very aesthetic, and whatever she presented, she did in a beautiful way. I loved the blintzes that she made. She was really good at making the thin pancake that you put around the cheese. She also made kreplach, pierogi, and then the food was. Let's see, I'm trying to think of anything special. Oh, she made a wonderful borscht, which I have emulated since then. And my father didn't go in the kitchen except to sit down at the table and eat. Again, a kind of a traditional man, yeah.